Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to import custom fonts into Capcut on iOS. Let's begin. Importing custom fonts into Capcut on iOS can help you add a unique touch to your videos and give them a personal or professional feel that stands out. Whether you're working in a specific theme, branding, or maybe you just want something different, custom fonts can enhance your project. So once you open the Capcut, I want you to hover to the project that you are working already. But if you don't, just click the create a new project to begin your work or start from scratch. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this specific project. So what I wanted to do is to add a custom font in this specific design. And for me to be able to do that, all I have to do is go to the text section right here. For example, add a text. You would notice that on the fonts, you can simply click the add a font. And for you to be able to do that, you click the plus button. But the thing is, if you don't have any fonts yet to import, I highly suggest you go to this specific website called thefont.com. You will be forwarded to this website. It's super easy and it's free. All I have to do is hover to the font that you wanted. You see there are categories like recently added, trending, and a lot more. For example, I'm gonna be using this Super Serene. All right, all I have to do is click the download button. I'm gonna zoom it out for you guys so you can see it's 100% free and fancy cartoon. So I'm gonna use maybe their first love. I'm gonna click the download. I'm gonna click this one instead. Click the download. It'll be forwarded here, and then now I'm going to add the add font by clicking the plus button to import the text. Then here I'm gonna click the Super Serene, and as you can see, we have successfully imported the text font style from the font to Capcut on our iOS device. And from here, you might want to type in some text here, for example, deep laughs. All right, and then of course you can go to styles, choose a different color, maybe yellow. It's up to you. What do you want? For example, you can play around with the effects right here. Yellow. And then once you're happy with it, just click the export button so you can forward it to your client or create a backup file for you. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.